In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Teams files open in the desktop app by default. If you frequently work with Microsoft Teams and find it frustrating when files open in a browser or within Teams itself, I'm here to help you set things up so that files like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint automatically open in their respective desktop applications. This makes it a lot easier to keep your workflow consistent and take full advantage of the robust features available in the desktop versions of Microsoft Office products. First things first, make sure that you've opened Microsoft Teams using the desktop app. This is an essential step because some options we're about to navigate through might not even be present if you're using the web version. Now, once you're in the desktop app, head over to your profile picture located in the top right corner of the window. Click on the three dots next to it. That's your gateway to the Settings menu. Within the Settings menu, you'll notice a sidebar. Look for the section labeled Files and Links and click on it. Here's where the magic happens. Under File Open Preference, you have the option to choose where your files will open. The key choice you'll want to make here is Desktop App. Selecting this means that whenever you open Office files from Teams, they should launch directly in their respective desktop applications, like Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. An important note, once you make this change, it should automatically apply. There's no need to save or confirm. It's a tremendous time saver and can greatly enhance your workflow efficiency by reducing clicks and loading times. Now, for those of you who may want to set a default for just a specific file or type of files, there's a neat little trick you can use. Simply right-click on the file within Teams, then go to Open and select Change Default. From there, select Desktop App. Once you do this, that file, and similar files, should consistently prompt to open in the desktop version right from Teams. It's worth mentioning, though, that this feature isn't universally available across all Teams accounts. Some users may find that this option to select Desktop App is not visible unless they have specific Microsoft 365 plans, like E3 or E5. Furthermore, files that are opened from links shared in chat or by other users might still default to opening in a browser due to the way Microsoft has designed certain collaborative features. Lastly, this feature might be rolling out gradually. So, if you don't see the setting just yet, it might be on its way to you. Remember, these changes specifically apply to Office files stored in Teams, SharePoint, or OneDrive. I hope this guide helps streamline your workflow and saves you from those extra clicks. Thanks for watching and happy working.